Welcome students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. In our last lecture, what we have studied? We have studied the plant kingdom. In plant kingdom, what we have studied? We have studied the system of classification. I have already told 2-3 marks आता है system of classification का NEET में. And then we have studied about algae. But today we are going to learn about the comparative study of algae according to their classes. We have already discussed about algae are divided into 3 classes. What are they? Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae. Isn't it? Chlorophyceae. So what the topics to be covered in this comparative study? Their general characteristics and their reproduction, etc. So first of all, let's start. The common name of Chlorophyceae are what? Green algae. Correct. Similarly, the common name of Phaeophyceae is what? Brown algae. And the common name of Rhodophyceae, that is red algae. So students, ये हो गया उनका कॉमन नेम. नेक्स्ट, उनका हैबिटेट कैसे, ये कहाँ दिखते हैं क्लोरोफाइसी? ये आपको फ्रेश वाटर में दिखेंगे, ये आपको मरीन में दिखेंगे, मरीन वाटर में दिखेंगे एंड आपको ब्रैकिश वाटर में भी दिखेंगे. सिमिलरली ब्राउन algae जो है ये ज्यादातर आपको मरीन वाटर में दिखते हैं एंड रेयर इन fresh water. Red algae, these are seen in marine water and warmer areas. ये हो गया उनका ऑकरेंस. ओके, प्लांट बॉडी कैसा है? प्लांट बॉडी जो है एक्चुअली जो ग्रीन algae है, these are unicellular. Similarly, brown algae, this is also unicellular. Red algae, this is multicellular. Okay, then ये रहते कैसे हैं? We have already discussed about it. These are colonial एंड फिलामेंटस टाइप. मतलब इनका फॉर्म जो है ये कैसे दिखते हैं? ये एक्चुअली आपको कॉलोनियल फॉर्म में दिखेंगे, अदरवाइज फिलामेंटस में दिखेंगे. एंड इन ब्राउन algae सिंपल ब्रांच्ड filamentous and profused branched. Filamentous. Here it is thalloid. And also these are filamentous. ये हो गया कि उनका प्लांट बॉडी कैसा है. पहले वो यूनिसेलुलर है और उनका फॉर्म कैसा है? उनका फॉर्म कॉलोनियल फॉर्म में रहते हैं, that is volvox example, and here it is Eulothrix, and one example is simple branch filamentous is ectocarpus. and अगर आप profused branch filamentous देखेंगे, this is Kelps. ये जो Kelps है ये बहुत ही important है, नीट में मैक्सिमम टाइम आता है. here it is plant body is thalloid and filamentous. then इनका जो सेल स्ट्रक्चर है, सेल स्ट्रक्चर भी उनका ज्यादातर क्लोरोप्लास्ट प्रेजेंट रहता है. एंड व्हाट आर द मेजर पिगमेंट्स इन क्लोरोफाइसी और ग्रीन algae? दैट इज क्लोरोफिल ए एंड बी. सिमिलर इन ब्राउन algae क्लोरोफिल ए, सी, फ्यूकोजैंथिन एंड जैंथोफिल। स्टूडेंट्स कभी कभी क्वेश्चन ऐसे आता है कि ब्राउन algae जो है उनका कलर ब्राउन क्यों है? क्योंकि ड्यू टू द पिगमेंट प्रेजेंट इन ब्राउन algae दैट इज फ्यूकोजैंथीन, इसके वजह से उनके कलर ब्राउन है। ओके, देन वी विल स्टडी द स्टोर्ड फूड। स्टोर्ड फूड क्या है? स्टार्च, यानी स्टार्च is present inside the green algae. And similarly brown algae, here it is mannitol and laminarin. Here it is the chlorophyll present, chlorophyll A and D, and one pigment is present here, phycoerythrin. ये जो फाइकोएरिथ्रिन है ये मैक्सिमम टाइम नेट में आता है कि व्हाट आर द पिगमेंट्स which are present in red algae, what are the pigments which are present in brown algae, and what are the pigments which are present in green algae. Food stored also same, food stored starch है, here it is mannitol and laminarin, and here it is chloridian starch. Food stored. And one more thing is plant body in brown algae is divided into three parts. What are they? Hold fast, stive and frond. So these all about their general characteristics, their cell structure, their major pigments. These are very important. So students, next is reproduction. As we know, algae reproduces by means of three methods. What are they? Vegetative method, asexual method, sexual method. Algae reproduces vegetatively in green algae or chlorophyceae by method of fragmentation. Fragmentation or formation of the different spores. So students, what is fragmentation method? We have already known about this. In 10th standard we have studied fragmentation method में क्या होता है? The plant body breaks up, और जो breakdown होता है plant body का, each breaking part develops into a, each fragment or breaking part develops into a thallus. That is fragmentation method. So same thing, the brown algae also vegetatively reproduces by means of fragmentation. And here the red algae, which are also vegetatively reproduces by means of fragmentation method. Next one is asexual method. Asexual means without sexual parts. और asexual method में algae जो green algae है वो कैसे reproduces करता है? Green algae reproduces asexually by formation of the motile flagellated zoospores. ये जो motile flagellated zoospores है ये कहाँ produce होता है? Inside zoosporangia. Inside zoosporangia. Similarly, the brown algae जो है वो भी flagellated है, that is flagellated zoospore से. Flagellated zoospore से ये that is the sometimes it these are seen in the pure sept. And the red algae which is asexually reproduces by means of formation of non-motile spores. This is all about asexual reproduction. Asexually द ग्रीन algae मोटाइल फ्लैजेलेटेड जूस्पोर से जो जूस्पोरांजिया के अंदर प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, एंड असेक्सुअल मेथड इन द ब्राउन algae formation of the flagellated zoospores which are pear shaped, and in red algae these are non-motile spores. So next one is sexual reproduction. So students, algae, green algae reproduces sexually by means of three methods. What are they? They are isogamous type of method, anisogamous type of reproduction, and oogamous type of reproduction. So students, can you tell me what is isogamous type of reproduction? In isogamous type of reproduction में क्या होती है? Two similar gametes. The fusion between two similar, fusion होती है, किसका होता है? Fusion of gametes. Fusion होती है two similar gametes. Similar means in size. टू सिमिलर गैमेट्स का जो फ्यूजन होती है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज आइसोगैमस. आइसो मीन सिमिलर, isogamous type of reproduction. So and in the brown algae these are all the same method, isogamous, anisogamous and oogamous sexually. And here next one is anisogamous. What is anisogamous? That means fusion between two dissimilar gametes. Two dissimilar gametes. And here also the union of gametes takes place in the oogonium, either in the oogonium or in the water. So here and gametes, the gametes sometimes it is pear shaped and sometimes it is pyriform. Then oogamous type of reproduction. What is oogamous? That means the fusion between motile flagellated female gametes किसके साथ होता है? विथ नॉन मोटाइल नॉन फ्लैजेलेटेड मेल gametes. Similarly, the brown algae, they bear two laterally attached flagella. Nothing is here. And in red algae, if you see sexually, these reproduces non-motile gametes by means of non-motile gametes. And sexual reproduction जो है वो oogamous है, the red algae. And also they accompanied by complex post-fertilization development. So this is all about their reproduction of chlorophyceae, phaeophyceae and rhodophyceae. That is green algae, brown algae and red algae. Next we will study about their economic importance, about of these three, chlorophyceae and rhodophyceae and phaeophyceae, and their many more examples we will study.